I'm Roger Bacon with RGB Renovations, and today we're going to get rid of the mold smell in our kitchen sink. What we do first is rinse out the sink with some hot water. Very hot water. If you can't get it hot enough in your sink, you may have to boil it on the stove, but this time we've got good hot water here. You're going to get about a pitcher, maybe half a gallon full of hot water here, and what we'll do is add a half cup to 1.5 cups of 1/2 to 1.5 cups of bleach. Should be strong enough. Take the hot water and pour it right in. Get it all around the outside, and we'll do both sides since this sink has 2 drains. You can let that stand for a few minutes and give it another blast. It's draining right through, so there's no blockage here. And if this doesn't do it, we can also take the pipes apart and clean those out a little better. For now, let's rinse this pan out. Let that hot water flow for another few moments. Baking soda mix in here. This is also a very green way to keep your sinks smelling fresh. Pour it in both sides. This will also work in your bathroom sinks and toilets. I'm Roger Bacon with RGB Renovations, and that's how you get rid of the mildew smell in your sink.